Well, here I got some cucumbers that I've transplanted. I started them from seed, so I needed to transplant them because it's been like over a month that I've been too busy, so I haven't had time to transplant them. So basically, I just use buckets, 5-gallon buckets, and I'm gonna use this trellis which I built. I also have this video. It's gonna be in the link below. How to make it your own. Okay, so it's very cheap. Um, and you can do it yourself. It's very easy. So it's basically a box, you see. So the cucumbers are gonna grow. Gonna climb all the way through the mesh. And basically, if they grow a lot, they're gonna go around, which is fine, you know. And I'll be harvesting some cucumbers in probably less than a month. These are Market More. They grow up to 8 inches. Probably like this thick like that. They're very sweet, very nice. They grow a lot. My only problem, the only problem I've had with cucumbers here in Miami, it's been I've been getting caterpillars, little worms. Uh, you see, basically the moth at night, it lays the eggs right here on the bud of the flower or the growing stem, and basically they start eating what's the new shoots, so the plant dies because it cannot grow. So that's the only problem I've had. I'm gonna have to use some BT um, spray. Let's see what I do. But usually during the winter, I don't have that problem. It's just through the summer months. So this is it, guys. Just 4-gallon, 5-gallon containers. Transplanted my cucumbers and placed them aligned with my box trellis here, up to 7 feet tall. So I'll keep you updated.